So this is the beginning of the diagnosis for this UN40J5 200AF TV. Initial concerns was turning it on, I would get the blinking red light of death. I can show that here. You get the blinking red light of death. Now, what does that blinking red light mean? So if you hold it down, you'll see it flash very quickly. And it'll kind of come on if you do it enough times. See, it comes on. But as you can see, you get no backlights. Now, what does that mean? What does this mean? The blinking red light means that there's some kind of issue with either the power control or something of the sort, but basically the power control board has lines coming from here to power the main board right here. These lines are low voltage DC. I think it's 3.3 volt, 13 volt all the way across. Right here, there's the 13 volt rail that's on here. And then you have this connector, which goes to your backlight. And your backlight actually has a decent amount of voltage going to it. I'm not sure how much it actually is, but measuring the rails, it was somewhere in the 30 to 40 volt range, depending on where you caught it. But initially, whenever I took this TV apart, I was getting this error, which, let me restart it. That was the error I was getting. And what was very interesting about that error is that I was also getting no backlight. And you can see how there's one removed from here. I had a very interesting problem with this. So let me plug in the old backlight and show you what that looked like.